Ever wish you could take it back? We've all been there. Those moments when you say something and immediately regret it. You say something, it comes out wrong. The words escape your mouth before you can stop them. Silence hangs in the air. The tension is palpable, and you can almost see the words lingering, causing discomfort. You wish you could rewind time, go back just a few seconds and choose different words, a different tone. Yep, words have power. They can build bridges or burn them. They can create connections or drive wedges between people. The good news? You can learn to use your words to create positive connections. It's a skill that can be developed with practice and mindfulness. This isn't about being perfect. It's about being kind and real. It's about understanding the impact of your words and choosing them wisely. We're human, we mess up. But by understanding how our words land, we can build stronger relationships and feel more confident. It's about learning from our mistakes and growing. Ready to dive in? Let's explore how to make our words work for us, not against us. Together we can learn to communicate more effectively and build a better world through our words. Think of your words as paintbrushes. Each word you speak adds color to your world and the world of those around you. Kind words, they create warmth and joy. Harsh words, they leave behind hurt and confusion. The words we choose shape how we see ourselves and how others see us. They influence our thoughts, feelings, and actions. That's some serious power, right? I'll never forget the time a friend made a comment about my work. It wasn't mean-spirited, but it stung. Her words made me doubt myself for weeks. We all have stories like this. Times when someone's words, even unintentional ones, left a mark. These experiences remind us how important it is to choose our words carefully. Section 4. Communication hacks, from awkward to awesome. Want to improve your communication skills instantly? Try this. Instead of asking, "Why did you say that?" ask, "What did you hear?" This simple shift encourages understanding instead of defensiveness. Another tip? Be present. Put down your phone, make eye contact, and truly listen when someone is talking to you. It shows you care and value what they have to say. Effective communication is not just about talking, it's about connecting. When you ask, "What did you hear?" you open the door to a more meaningful dialogue. This approach helps clarify misunderstandings and fosters a more collaborative environment. Additionally, being present in the moment is crucial. In our fast-paced world, distractions are everywhere. By giving someone your full attention, you demonstrate respect and empathy. This can significantly enhance your relationships, both personal and professional. Remember, small changes can lead to big improvements. Section 5. Honesty, the best policy? Spoiler. It is. Honesty can be tough, but it's crucial for healthy communication. When we're honest with ourselves and others, we build trust and create a foundation for genuine connection. This doesn't mean being brutally honest all the time. It's about being authentic and sharing your truth with kindness and empathy. Remember, honesty without compassion can be cruelty in disguise. Section 6. Ouch! That hurt. Dealing with misunderstandings. Misunderstandings happen. It's part of being human. When someone says something hurtful, try not to jump to conclusions. Instead, pause and ask for clarification. Maybe they didn't mean it the way you heard it. Or maybe they're going through something difficult. Approach the situation with curiosity and a willingness to understand their perspective. Section 7. Breathe, connect, thrive. Your words, your power. In this chapter, we delve into the profound impact that our words can have on our lives and the lives of those around us. Words have incredible power. They can uplift, inspire, and heal. A simple compliment can brighten someone's day, and a heartfelt conversation can mend a broken relationship. Or they can wound, discourage, and divide. Harsh words can leave lasting scars, and misunderstandings can create rifts between even the closest of friends. By choosing our words consciously and speaking with kindness, we can create a more positive and fulfilling life for ourselves and those around us. So, the next time you're about to speak, take a deep breath and ask yourself, what impact do I want my words to have? Consider the emotions and reactions your words might evoke. Remember, your words have the power to shape your world. Choose them wisely, speak with intention, and let your words be a source of light and positivity. Your words are a reflection of your inner self, and they can pave the way for a more harmonious and connected existence. Remember, you are amazing. Keep learning. Keep growing. Continue to feed your mind with positive thoughts and affirmations. Watch these videos for more inspirational brain food.